In today's video, I'd like to teach you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Hyundai Kona. This is a very simple job. Anybody can do this. You just need to know what to do. You don't even need any special tools. I'll show you how to do this job in a few moments here. But this is a 2018 model. This process will be identical for 2018 through 2021 model cars. Now, if you have an older and earlier model of this car, I'd imagine the process is going to be very similar. It just might not be identical to what I'm about to show you. Now, when it comes to purchasing a replacement filter, you could go with an OEM cabin air filter. However, I'd recommend you go with an upgraded aftermarket HEPA filter. The advantage to a HEPA filter over an OEM cabin air filter is that a HEPA filter will filter out smaller pollutants and particles, therefore giving you cleaner air to breathe. I will leave a link for this upgraded HEPA filter in the description down below. So first thing we need to do is go into the passenger side of the car and empty out the glove box. Alright, so after you empty out your glove box, what you're going to be looking for are these quarter turn tabs here and here, one on either side of the glove box. So all you do is take this tab, give it a quarter turn twist counterclockwise, and then pull it straight out. Then when you go to remove the other one, support the glove box with your other hand, come in here, quarter turn, might need to give it a little wiggle. Sometimes it takes a little bit more to get it out of there. What's going on here? There we go. So that'll pop out, and then the glove box is going to drop down. And that's going to give you access to your cabin air filter housing. In order to remove this door off this housing, simply take two fingers and pinch down on these two little tabs right here, and the door swings open like a barn door, and then just pull sideways. See, there's a little tab that lines up right there. So here's your air filter. See how we have airflow? So the airflow goes down, and it's important that when we install the new air filter, that airflow arrow matches. It should be pointing down. So let's take a look at this filter. Here's a quick look at the old cabin air filter. Here's a look at the nice new HEPA filter. So let's throw this back in. All right, now let's install our nice clean new HEPA filter. So looking at the side of the filter there, you see airflow down. That arrow is pointing down. That's what you want. So all you're gonna do is take this filter and just put it into the air filter housing like so. Now let's reinstall the air filter housing cover. So if you take a look, there's an OS, look for that tab, simply insert that tab into the receiver over here on the left. You might have to give it a little wiggle and then just push it in, and then these two spring-loaded tabs should click back in. Lift up your glove box and reinstall these quarter turn tabs. So you're gonna twist them to the right. That's one. And that's two. And that completes this job. Again, I will leave a link in the description down below for that upgraded HEPA filter. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. As always, I will catch you on the next one.